Hello again guys, just looking at some more jobs that need doing before we can put this floor in. And one thing I noticed that on the end of this cross member we've got the top return. That seems good. I might drill another hole so we do 4 spot welds, plug welds I should say. But then we've got the side ones, which as you can see there, not so good. And that one as well. So I think what I'm going to do, got a bit of steel here, I'll just put that behind there and drill around it. I'm going to cut a couple of little oversized ears, and then I will just have them come round just onto the inside of here and just put a little bit of, probably just a little seam weld along there and also along there, and then they'll cut these ones off. So I'm going to just cut them out with the disc cutter and then bend them over in the vise. So give us a second. Right, there we go, got 2 little bits made up and sort of pre-drilled there. I know it's important strength on the end here. I mean, this one is all original, these are all original, and that's why we've gone for a slight overlap here. And we'll be putting a seam weld up in there and actually up from the other side. Just using the magnets on the back of that one to the back of this one to make sure it's the right, you know, the right plane. And yeah, we'll get that tacked in. I'm gonna set you up so you guys can watch probably. Really, that's in shot, I think so. Let's do a bit of welding. Right, I've had to bring the car around this way so I can get in here and do this fillet weld. For anyone who hasn't seen this before, just a sort of little grinding bit go in the end of your drill, so you can tidy up things like this. And, for when you can't get your grinding disc in or your flap disc, then this is an option. So I'm just going to tidy that up a bit. And hopefully you can see that it's been welded down there and down there, and then similarly I've done a seam weld down there, although I did miss a little bit, but that's plenty strong enough, just needs tidying up. Right, cheers for watching guys, speak to you later.